you need to revise.
Tengok tu, jangan tengok.
Okay. I will mute everyone. So if you want to talk, you unmute yourself, okay? All right, now I cannot hear anyone. So it's okay. All right, question 1 and 2. Question 1 and 2. Please start, Umaira. And Amara also. Okay, don't worry if you don't understand, okay? We're going to go through everything, all right? The reason why you're having tuition is for us to go through step by step, all right? Okay, question 1. Umaira, have you done? Yes, no? Yes. Amara? Not yet. Yes. Auni?
Yep.
Yes. Okay. Can you show me with your fingers? Umaira, what's your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Amara? 2. Auni? 2. Okay, let us see. Sometimes, okay, your answer is correct. It's 2. But I'm going to test you now. I'm going to show you now the question on the whiteboard. You try to do the question on the whiteboard. You can see the whiteboard clearly. Now, let's say I'm going to write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't need to copy. Don't need to copy. 7, 8. This is not 8 numbers. This number is 12,345,678. I know you have not learned such a big number. At primary 5, you will learn 7 digit. At primary 4, you will learn 6 digit. You know what's a digit? Digit. D-I-G-I-T. Okay, I'm going to ask you, okay? Amara, how old are you, Amara? You unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. How? Unmute. You know how to unmute? Sometimes we need to mute, need to unmute. Unmute. There's a button to press unmute. Blue arm. Okay. How old are you, Amara?
9.
9. Okay. And we'll ask Auni, how old are you?
9.
9 also. Umaira?
10.
10. Okay, we'll ask Auni, how many numbers are there? Auni.
2.
2 numbers. How many digits are there?
2.
How many digits are there? 2 also. Amara, how many numbers are there?
2.
2. Never mind, it's okay. Don't worry. How many digits are there? Don't ask your parents. Your parents are not learning. Don't look at them. Okay. Guess. How many digits?
Ibu apa jawab aja.
Jawab aja. Okay, let's say now. Umaira, how many numbers are there? 2. How many digits are there?
3.
3. Hey, how come? No, we are looking at this one. Okay, never mind. We will welcome Naomi. Naomi, can you see me? Can you turn on your video, Naomi? Okay, this is our 4th student. Okay. All right. Okay. Hello, Naomi. Can you hear me? Can, huh? Okay, this is Naomi. Naomi, can you just raise your hand? Raise hand. Okay, that's Naomi. Amara. Okay, put down your hand. Amara, raise your hand. Amara, raise your hand. That's Amara. Umaira, raise your hand. That's Umaira. And Auni, raise your hand. Okay. Why am I asking? I'm introducing you to one another. Okay. We are now going to cover a very simple topic first. Okay, I'll come back again to this. Okay, now let's say I check Naomi's bank account. Okay, in her bank account there's $7,200. So I'm going to ask you, okay, how many digits and how many numbers? We are going to start from the very basic. So If I were to mute you, you answer your fingers. Now you can speak. We'll ask you one by one. We ask Umaira, how many numbers are there? Come on. Just answer. Come on, just answer.
Copy.
4. No, don't copy anything. Auni, how many numbers are there?
4.
4. Amara, how many numbers are there?
4.
4. Naomi, how many numbers are there? Okay, listen. When your teacher in school or your friend asks you for your telephone number, do they ask you for your telephone numbers or number?
Number.
Number is one number, but your telephone number might be like this. This is my telephone number, 977394441. This is one number, but there are how many digits? 1 digit, 2 digit, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. So digits is like letters, you know. Let's say now, okay, we say hello. This is one word, but 5 letters. This is one number. But how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So you understand the difference between digits and numbers? Yes, sir? Amara, you understand, Amara? Okay, we will ask Amara now. Hold on. Because she's looking straight like that. Yeah, I need to see her. Amara, how many numbers are there? How many numbers are there? Yeah. 3 numbers. Okay, remember this is one number. One number, 3 digit. Digit 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits. Okay, we'll try again another one now.
Number and digit different.
Okay, we'll try now this one. We'll ask now Naomi, how many numbers are there? How many digits are there?
4.
Good. Okay. Now we'll ask Auni, how many numbers are there?
1.
How many digits are there?
6.
Okay. Now we ask the next one now. We ask Umaira, how many numbers are there?
1.
1. How many digits?
8.
8. All right. We will ask. Hold on. We ask. Let me see. Amara. Amara, you try. Yeah. How many numbers are there, Amara? You got to unmute yourself. How many numbers are there? Amara, just show by your. Okay. How many numbers? How many numbers? Number. This is considered one number. One number. How many digits then you count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll test you again. Let's say now you check inside your wallet, you have $27. How many numbers are there? 27. How many numbers?
1.
1. This is one number. How many digits are there?
2.
2, 1, 2. Good. So that's the first thing we're going to do, okay? You must understand the difference between number and digit. But some of you say, but there's so many digits here. Yes. So how do we get so many digits? We can count. We can count.
Oh, he don't want a jackpot.
So I need to hold on. I will mute all except myself. So later, if you need to speak, you unmute yourself. Okay. So now, if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until let's say 10, it continues 11, then it reaches 99, and then 100, and then it can reach thousands and millions. So it's still one number. But how many digits? It's like the letters in a word. Okay, so we come now to this here. Now you write this down in your exercise book. One more person is coming in. 2 persons coming in. Okay, let's see now. You write down this number: 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. Can you write it down, please?
You write on the page where we did the one of the exam paper or the other one? On like
you can do it in your exercise book. Any exercise book. This is for you to refer to next time. Okay, this is a number, one number. There's 5 digits. So I want you to identify the place. I'm going to show you how to identify the place, okay? The place means the place value. Here is the ones. Once we write it like this. We spell it like that, ones. Can you copy it? The next one is after the 1, you add the 0 behind it, become 10. This is the tens place. Okay. This is the ones. This is the tens. Beside it, you add one more 0. You see, 1, 1, 0. So beside it is 1, 0, 0. This is the 100 place. Okay, is it okay? And then beside it, 1, tens, 100. This one must be the thousands place. Notice the pattern. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So what do you think is the next digit? This would be, you add one more 0 here. This one is 1. We add 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. This one 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 zeros. So if we have a very long number, you keep on ending 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, you know the place. So what is the place? Place. Place value. So now how to do this? I rub it off, okay? Is it okay? I rub off, I rub off the notes on here, okay? Now, how to find the place value? Very, very simple. Watch, If let's say now, they ask you, what does the digit 6? What's the value of the digit 6? You just write 6. Now there's supposed to be one more digit here. Put a 0 here. It's 60. How do we know it's 60? Look, ones. This is 10. So 610. 610 is 60. 610 is 60. So we will ask now, Miss Auni, what is the value of the digit 2? What is the value of the digit 2? You unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
1,000.
1,000, but this is now there's 2, so it becomes 2,000. Okay, that's the value. Now I'm going to rub this off and I'm going to write a few numbers here. Okay. Question number, you can put question number 2. 1, 2, 4, 8. Number 3. 5, 1, 2, 7, 6. Number 4. 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. And the last, yes, you copy it down. Copy it down and do. Do one, copy one, do one. Copy the next one, do the next one. After that, I need you to show me your exercise book. Okay, once you are done, show me the exercise book. How to show? I'll show you how to show. I am going to underline the digit. I want you to find the value of the digit. So that means, right? Don't need to copy this question, the value. You just need to write the answer of the underline digit. Okay, so I'm going to underline. Line. You write down just the answer. What is the answer? Right here. Okay. Okay, let me observe you. Anyone's looking confused? Okay. Okay, you have to believe in yourself, okay? You got to believe that you can do it because maths is actually easier than even languages. English, you can never score 100% for English, but you can score 100% for maths. Okay, once you are done, show me your exercise book. Amara, you done, Amara? Show me your exercise book. Let me see. Hold on, hold on. Let me see closer. Hold on. Okay. All right. Yeah, hold on. Let me take a photo. A little bit closer. Okay. Back little. Back little. Down, down, down. Go down little. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I can't see. Never mind. It's okay. Okay. I tell you what. We will ask you for your answers. Okay. Can you unmute yourself? You unmute yourself. You know how to unmute yourself? Naomi, you know how to unmute yourself?
Why you don't get the
Okay. You unmute. Okay. Umaira, unmute. Okay. So we go one by one. Auni, what's the answer for question number 2? What's the value of 4?
10.
10. Value. Okay. What about Naomi? What's the answer? Don't change your answer. Believe in yourself. Naomi, what's your answer? Naomi, are you there? What's the answer for the value 4?
4 tens.
4 tens. Okay. So one say 10, one say 4 tens. What about Amara? What's your answer for number 1? Number 2. Value of 4. What's your answer? What do you write? What do you write?
4 tens.
4 tens also. What about
No.
Umaira?
4 tens.
4 tens. Okay. So how to do this question? Watch what I do. Okay. Look. 1, 2, 4, and 8. You underline this. If they ask you what is the value, you just draw it down. Write the 4, and beside here there must be a number, but we just put it as 0. It's 40. The value is 40. This is value. But if they ask you for place, it's different. Place, this is ones place. This is tens place. This is 100 place. This is 1,000 place. If they ask you for value, you draw an arrow and then you write the 4. If there's some digit here, write a 0. Okay, we try the next one now. The next one now. The next one, what is the answer? Anyone can tell me an answer. What is the value of the number 2?
100.
200. 200. Let us see. 200. Whether you all are right. 200. 5, 1, 2, 7, 6. We draw. They want value, so draw the arrow. Write the 2. There's 1, 2 digits beside it. So you add 2 zeros here. The value is 200. Easy. Okay, we try the next one. Number 4. What is the value of the digit 3?
3 1.
3 ones. Okay. One say 3, one say ones, one say 3 ones. So what is the answer? Okay. Very simple. If they ask you for value, you draw an arrow down. Draw an arrow down. Write the 3 here. Is there any digit beside? No digit. Just leave the answer here. The value is 3. But what place is it in? This is in the ones place. They didn't ask you for place. They asked you for value. Okay. If place means position. Position is in the ones position. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. But value, you draw the arrow and write the digit. If there's some more digits here, add on 0. But if there isn't, leave it. So it's just 3. Next one now. What is the value of the digit 1? Anyone?
1,000.
1,000. All right, let's see whether you're right. So I draw the arrow. I put 1. There's 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, 1,000. This is the value of it. Is it easy? Easy, yeah? Naomi, are you okay, Naomi? Yes, sir. We try now. We don't change the number. You try now. Again, I will ask you now. I'm going to change the digits only. Okay, I'm going to change the digits, sir. You tell me now. I'm going to underline a different digit. You tell me what is the value. This one, there's a 6 here. So this is number 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let us try, okay? What is the value? Okay, you try, you write down the answer for... Okay. I am now circling all the 2s. And this one now here. Sorry, yeah. I'm going to change this question, okay? I'm changing question now. Yeah.
I need to copy. Just write the answer.
Write down the value of all the digit 2s. Okay, you don't need to copy the question part, just write the answer only. Okay. The value of the digit 2. Okay, one more minute. Auni, you are done already, Auni. Easy, eh? Okay, don't tell answer. We wait for your friends for a while. Okay. Are we all right? Umaira, are you there, Umaira? Your handwriting doesn't need to be neat. It's okay. This is for practice. Okay, please unmute yourself and tell me what is the answer for question number 6. Unmute yourself, Naomi. Unmute yourself, Amara. Question number 6. Amara, what's the answer? Question number 6.
200.
200. Is she correct? Well, we draw an arrow. Yes, she is at 1020. Well done. Naomi, what's the answer? Question 7. Paging for Miss Naomi. 200. Well done again. All right, again, same thing. We draw an arrow. Is 200. Well done. Number 8. Umaira. Umaira, what's the answer for question number 8?
2 tens.
2 tens. Are you sure?
Same
thing. Same thing. Look, Umaira. Arrow down. Put a 2 down here. There's 200. So I gave you 200 for all of them except for the last one. We'll ask Miss Auni. What's the answer for this one? Or you can read out the number to me.
So what is it?
Can read out the number?
2,000. 20,000.
20,000. Okay, there's 4 digits here. So there's 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros. Okay, I think more or less you know how to do this, all right? Now, what may happen is you may forget. After you have learned this, you may forget, That is why this video is being recorded. So I will send you the worksheets later after this, and then you go through it on your own. But most of my students, want to hear a secret? Most of them don't watch the video. Then most of them don't watch the videos. They say, finish, they're not going to watch. But if you want to improve in your maths, you got to work hard. There's no such thing as you don't work hard and you will improve. Or you go and take a special tablet, I become intelligent in maths. There's some advertisement, sometimes you hear on the radio, they say, I take this tablet, I eat it, I become intelligent. No such thing. Allah did not create you that way. You need to exercise, then you'll be strong. You need to exercise your mind, which means you need to practice on your own. Okay, because all of us are weak in maths here. What does it mean? It means you got to practice even more. Even more? Yes. Your teacher gives you homework, you got to practice more on your own. You got to push yourself. Your parents cannot push you. If your parents need to push you, that means you do not want to improve. And you cannot blame your parents. No, your parents sending you for tuition. You have to push yourself. Okay? You play computer games. You play games?
Yep.
Your parents force you to play, or you do it yourself?
Do it ourselves.
Do it yourself, yeah. And then you get so good in your games.
No, I don't suck at it.
Okay, yeah. But at first, maybe you do not know how to play the game. But because you practice, you know how to play the game. So the same thing. If you keep on practicing on your own, you will know how to do maths. This will become chicken feed for you. Anyway, let us move to the next question. All right. So you know this one now. Look at this. Very simple. Draw an arrow down. So write the 5. Beside it must be a 0. So the digit 5 stands for 50. Okay, you all got it correct for this one, right? Let us move to the next one. Factors. Factors means numbers that can be divided. What are the numbers that can make up 36? 36 can be divided by what numbers? Okay, that's what they're saying. Factors means what numbers can 36 be divided by? How to do this? You can do it. You can do it, okay? You can do it. You have to believe you can. Anyone got an answer can just say it out. Naomi? Are you okay, Naomi? Okay or not? Okay, yeah. Okay, while you're doing, I'm going to ask each and every one of you a question. If you can answer, that's great. We'll start with Umaira. 7 times 8. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next one. Never mind. You continue. Amara. Amara, are you there? 9 times 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Auni. 4 times 8. 4 times 8. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Naomi, are you ready? 7 times 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, hey girls, your speed must be much faster than that. Okay, by the time in 1 month's time, inshallah, you will be faster in your timetable, but you got to practice. I will send each and every one of you a stack of cards, and in it you will do the flashcards. I will show you how to do it, but you got to do it on your own. You got to practice. Your parents got to practice with you, and you do not need to count to 7 times 8. 7, 14, not like that. Everything is all going to go into your mind. Do you know that there are people who memorize the whole Quran? You know how they do it? They do it very fast. So you learn times tables cannot be 2 times 2 is 4. No, you will do it very fast. But never mind, we'll come back to that another time. Now we're going to ask you, answer for question number 2. If you are good in timetable, you know the answer. Anyone? Umaira, answer? Amara? Auni? Naomi? Anyone? Auni, what's your answer? Not yet. Okay. All right, stop. So now we're going to go for factors. Why is it you need to know your timetable? If you do not know your timetable, your processing will be very slow. So this is now, you write down now 36. Can you write in your notebook? So what number can be times multiplied together to get 36? We start with the number 1. 1 times what equals 36? 1 times 36. Good. Now increase this. Can 2 times something to get 36? Can or not? 2 times, actually I give you the answer for this one, okay? 2 times 18. Can 3 times what equals 36? Anyone knows? 3 times 12. Okay, never mind. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. 4, this one you know. This is your 10 timetable. 4 times what equals 36?
10.
Times 10. 4 times 10, 40. 4 times?
9.
9. 4 times 9, 36. Umaira, you know the 9 timetable using your finger, remember? 1, 2, 3, 4. You bend your forefinger. Can you see? 36. Okay, later we'll learn this, okay? Later we learn the... So 36. 5 cannot, 6 can, 6 times 6. You don't need to go to 7. Once you have the same number, you don't need to go further. So let us look at the question. You see, these are the factors of 36. Factors of 36. Factors of 36. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So let us look at the question now. Let us look at the question. You tell me what is the answer. Which of the following are the factors of 36? Is it answer number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4? Anyone? Naomi, do you know? Which one is the answer? Umaira, what are you doing, Umaira? Come, focus, focus, focus. Which one are the factors of 36? Look, can you see my screen here? Remember, I circled, highlighted 6. There's 6 down here. This is 1. There's 4 also. There's 3 also. But 21 is not. 16 is not. 8 is not. 12 is not. 9 is. These two are factors of 36. 6 times 6 equals 36. 9 times 4 is 36. So factors means what numbers can you divide 36 by? Okay, are you okay? Okay, let us look. Can you look at the screen? Can you look at the screen? You see, now you look at the screen. You look at each other's faces. Can you see not? Some look blur, some not sure, some smiling. Okay, so now from your faces, I can see that you're looking at. That means, even if I ask you, do you understand? You say, that means you don't understand. So we are going to do another question now. You know what's our factors, right? You must do factors, you must do like this. These are the factors. 1 is a factor of 36. 2. Always start with 1. Okay, we will do simple factors first. Okay, here we go. I want you to write down the factors of 12. You write. There's only 6 of them. Can you write down the answer? Factors of 12. This one cannot use calculator, Naomi. Are you using calculator? Cannot use calculator for this one. At P4, you cannot use calculator. Ow. Oh, I don't know what happened. Okay, have you gotten the answer? We'll ask Auni, what's the first one? What times what, Auni? 1 times 12, good. Naomi, next one. Chayo.
6.
2 times 6, good. Next one, we ask Amara. What's the next one? Paging for Miss Amara. Please come in. 1, 2, maybe. Can it be 3?
Yeah.
3 times what?
3 times.
3 times. Anyone? 3 times? 3 times 4. Yes. Okay. Now that's why your timetable is very important. If you are slow in your timetable, you're going to be slow at this question. And you know maths is so much tougher than this. So this one, we got to work very fast. This is considered quite easy and you can do it. Maybe now you might not be able to do it fast, but soon you'll be able to do it fast. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. They are the factors of 12. I'll try one more number, all right? Here we go. Okay. This time, I'm not going to tell you. No, I better tell you. How many factors are there? Factors of 20. Here we go. There's also 6 of them. Chiayo. I do not know what chiayo means, but from young, we hear the word chiayo. Omara, you heard chiayo before? What does it mean?
In Chinese class.
Oh, Chinese class. Okay. All right, never mind. Let's try this then. Now, you mean you look as if you have completed your question? Have you? Yes. Not yet. Okay. Try. Amara, give me the first one, Amara.
1 times 20.
Good. Umaira, the next one.
2 times 10.
And Naomi, the next one. Or Auni, either one. Naomi or Auni. Naomi, I cannot hear you. Your voice disappeared.
3 cannot. Times table of 3.
Naomi can? Auni? Anyone?
4 times
4 times 5. Okay. Now, these are all the factors of 20. Now, notice, you are taking too long. You're taking too long. Girls, you are taking too long. But it's okay. I want you to know that we have to go on our timetable very fast. Let's say 7 times 8, 56. You must give your answer that fast. 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 5, 20. You will get that fast. You know, I've taught students who are very, very slow. Ask them, they take so long. But after 2 months, they become very fast. Once you become fast, you start to feel confident. You know why? Let me tell you why. If you find it difficult to do timetable like this, when your teacher give you long division, like that, what happens? You are going to do that very slow. Correct? That's true, right? So you will be faster. This once your timetable is fast, this is going to be fast. When this gets fast, you feel better. All right, you feel better, and other parts of maths will be faster. All right, but anyway, let us move on to the next question. Rounding off. What is the meaning of rounding off? What is rounding off, Umara? What is rounding off?
Rounding off. Must round off to the nearest number.
But what is it?
I don't have to explain.
Now you mean what is rounding off? Do you know rounding off?
Rounding off to the nearest number.
To the nearest number. But what is it? Because normally we learn maths, we don't know what we are doing. No, we do round off, lowest term. What is all this? Only in what is rounding off? Do you know? Or Amara? Rounding off. Okay, I tell you what rounding off. Okay.
The number smaller.
Make the number smaller. Not really like that. Actually, now I took a peek into Amara's bank account. Amara, you know that I saw your bank account book, and this is the amount of money she has. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous, huh?
Can be.
Huh? Cannot be. Hold on. Oh no, yeah. Wrong. It's number. Okay, I give you the number again.
Are we supposed to copy?
No, don't copy. I'm just giving an example. Correct? Amara, is this the bank account number? You cannot remember because there's so much of it. So now I ask Amara, how much money do you have in your bank account? You're going to tell me 2,999 and 99 cents. I say, look, round off. Round off means to give an agak-agak number. You know what's agak-agak? Not agak-agak. Agak-agak is jelly. Agak-agak. You know what's agak-agak? You all are Malays, right? Some of you?
Yes.
Agak-agak means what in English?
Guess.
Gas. Teka-teka is gas. You know, okay. Roughly, it means roughly. Roughly, how much money is this? Roughly. You got 2,000. Okay, let's say every one of you got $2,999.99. Roughly, how much is it? Roughly.
1,000.
How many thousand?
10.
20.
10,000. Not 10,000. You add one more cent, it becomes $3,000. Roughly is $3,000. So when they ask you to round off, they are asking you to tell me agak-agak berapa, agak-agak berapa. You know, sometimes when your parents ask for tuition, agak-agak berapa school fees. So this is the meaning of agak-agak is actually rounding off. Do you understand now what's agak-agak? Let's say you want to buy a new toy. You say, I do not know how much I need. Say, roughly, how much is the price? Is it $10? Say, not $10, it's $100, roughly. Then you get an idea. So maths must be meaningful to you. Rounding off, we are talking about agak-agak. Agak-agak is what? Roughly. Okay? So you are learning the skill of roughly. This is very important in life. Okay, let's say now Naomi says, you know, I'm going to go to Japan. Say, do you bring any money? No, I didn't bring any money. Then you need to ask, right, roughly how much must I bring? Well, roughly you need to bring $5,000. So at least you roughly you know how much you need to save. But let's say you don't plan for that, you go to Japan with $50. What's going to happen? You cannot leave even the yeah, you can't even go take a taxi to your hotel. Not enough money. So you need to know this skill. Okay, here we go. Now we try now. Rounding off to the nearest 100. You try question number 3. You get it wrong, it's okay. Get it wrong, it's okay. You get it right, it's okay. Okay, we try, yeah, we try. Which of the following numbers, when rounded off to the nearest 100, is 55,000? Myra, are you having a headache?
No, I'm done.
You're done. What's your answer?
Number 2.
Number 2. Well, okay. Let us see. What about Amara? Are you done?
No.
Not yet. Auni, are you done? No response. Okay. Means not. Naomi, are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done.
Okay, what's your answer?
1.
1. What about Auni? Sorry, Naomi. Are you done? Can I hear? Your voice is too soft. You're whispering. Louder a little bit.
And it's also glitching.
Glitching also. Okay. What's your answer? Show me by fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one? What's your answer, Naomi? 1. 1. Okay. We will ask Amara. Amara, what's your answer?
1.
1. Okay. Now I want you to feel. I want you to be honest with yourself. Okay. When your friends say the answer is 2, in your heart you feel maybe the answer is 2 is correct. Don't feel that way. Be confident in what you are. I have ever asked some students. For example, I ask you, "Are you girls?" Then they say yes, yes. I say, "Are you sure?" I'm not sure. Don't be like that. You must be sure. Amara, are you a girl?
Yes.
Are you sure you are a girl?
Yeah.
Yes, you must be sure. Okay, same thing. If someone, you give your answer, you got to be sure. Okay, so now let us look at rounding off. Okay, I'm going to teach you rounding off. You got to copy this in your notebook. Okay, in your notebook. Okay, we will start with the very basic. But before rounding off, we must know what's the meaning of position. So you already know what position is. This is not value. Huh? What position is this, Miss Naomi? What position?
Once.
Ones. Good. What position is this, Amara? Ones. Beside it must be?
Tens.
We have ones. Beside it is?
Tens.
Tens. Good. Tens. Umaira, beside the tens is? 100. And Miss Auni, beside the 100 is?
1,000.
1,000. You see, even without looking, you can know. So you know already the position. Okay. If I ask you for the nearest 100, watch. If I ask you for the nearest 100, run off to the nearest 100. We're going to ask Umaira, which digit are we talking about?
8.
Nearest 100. 8. Auni, is she correct, Auni? Is 8 in the 100th place? Auni, paging for Miss Auni. Is 8 in the 100th place? Don't do anything. I have not given you the question. How can you be doing? I'm not giving you the question. I just wrote the number
No,
only.
I'm not writing. I'm just doing
You do
it.
some. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't do something else. Do.
Okay.
If they say the nearest 100, you underline this, and you look at the digit beside it, which on the right. On the right. You look at the digit beside it on the right, and you do something like that. This digit on the right of it, Umaira, this digit on the right of it is going to tell you what the answer, what this digit is going to be. Now, in rounding off, there's two types of number, two categories of numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If let's say this digit down here is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must plus 1. Don't need to copy, don't need to copy, don't need to copy. Listen, understand first. Don't worry. You have the video, you can watch me every day. Okay, but don't do that. You might start vomiting. Okay, but here we go again. You look down here. If I ask you for the nearest 100, you look at the digit beside it. Is the digit beside it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? If it is, you must plus 1. If it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, don't plus 1. Just leave it as this, 7, 8. Then you must add the 0, 0. This is nearest 100. Watch. Again, I give you a similar question, but slightly different. Watch. Don't go anywhere. Let's say now, you tell me now. I just changed. Don't copy. Don't worry about copying. This lesson, you don't worry about copying. The most important thing is understanding. Do you understand or not? Okay. Don't copy anything. Okay, I want you to understand. Now, same thing. Nearest 100. We look at the digit beside it. So you tell me, must you plus 1 or not plus 1?
Plus 1.
Naomi, must plus 1. Why plus 1? Look at this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You must plus 1. So we plus 1. So this one becomes 7,
9.
But you must add 0, 0. This is to the nearest 100. It becomes like that. So nearest 10, same thing. You look at the one beside it. So every time they ask you, round off to the nearest whatever, you look at the position and look at the one beside it. And then you ask yourself, must plus 1 or not? You must plus 1, you plus 1, and make all the rest 0. Okay, Umaira, you okay? No, Umaira, I'm explaining, she's looking around there, here and there. You must be able to focus and concentrate. We try now. You try now, my questions. Here we go. 7, 1, 4. Copy this, copy this. Okay, are we ready? Ready, Round off. Don't need to copy round off, You just do the number to the nearest 10. The nearest 10. First of all, you know what to do? Yes, never mind. Can scratch your head, no problem. To the nearest 10. To the nearest. Do it, please.
Why is it glitching just now? It was glitching just now.
Glitching. So sorry. I was glitching. I'm so sorry. Okay. 7, 1, 4, 5, 6. Round off to the nearest 10. The nearest 10. Umaira, you got answer? What's the answer, Umaira?
7, 1. Answer 7, 1, 4, 6, 6. 6, 0.
4, 6, 6. 6, 0 or 6, 6?
No, 6, 0.
Naomi? 6, 0. Naomi is frowning. Okay, Auni.
Yep. 71460.
What's your answer? Amara. What's your answer? Amara say, I'm not yet done. Let me do my work. Stop disturbing me. Okay. Naomi. What's your answer, Naomi? 71460. Your voice sounds very robotic,
60.
Okay, great. What about Amara?
71460.
Okay, so we'll do it together. Well done, all of you got it correct. Now let us see here. You want nearest 10. So nearest 10, this is ones, this is tens. So this, we underline this. And then we look at the digit beside it. We put an arrow here like that. If it's more, it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You plus 1, you must plus 1. So you copy with 7, 1, 4. Plus 1 becomes 6. Add a 0. Well done. Congratulations. Get ready for your next question. Same number. Umaira and all the rest, correct to the nearest 1,000. Correct or round off to the nearest 1,000. Not Tarzan, huh? Thousand. Tarzan is inside the jungle. Thousand. Round off to the nearest 1,000. You can do it. Amara. Round off to the nearest 1,000. Naomi, what's the answer? You're done already, Naomi? Amara, you done? Okay. Then you do continue. What's your answer?
9100.
There's no 9 here, miss. This is 7.
Eh? Oh yeah, it's a 7. I say wrongly.
Okay. So what's the answer again?
7.
What's the answer?
71000.
What about Auni? Oh, sorry. Auni is... Auni, what's your answer, Auni?
71456.
71456. Okay. What about Amara? Amara. I will call on everyone. Naomi, what's your answer, Naomi?
71456.
Paging for Naomi, please come in. 71456. What about Amara? Amara is chewing her pencil, I think. Okay, come. Stop. Look here. Everyone look here. You got the answer, Amara? Want to guess? No? Okay. Now, sometimes for maths, 7-1.
7
Guess.
4
Mm-hmm.
5
4 6. Okay. Now, remember, I asked you for the nearest, correct to the nearest? What? 1,000, correct? Nearest 1,000, right? So which one is 1,000? This is ones. This is tens. This is 100. This is 1,000. Underline the 1,000. Underline the 1,000. And then look at the digit beside it. Is this digit, remember, 0, 1, 2, 3, add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, add 1. Must you add 1 or don't add 1? Don't add 1, right? Don't add 1. Huh? So it'll be 7, 1, 0, 0, 0. All the rest will be 0. Once you have now to the nearest 1,000, all the rest will be 0. Okay? I think I'm lagging. I'm going to change my Wi-Fi. So sorry if I'm lagging. I repeat that. Do you get it? Huh? Naomi, you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, we have to do another question until everyone is able to get it. Miss Auni, do you understand, Auni? Auni?
Yep.
Auni, do you get it, Auni? Yes, okay, all right. Now I'll write the next question. Here we go. I'm going to write, all right, here we go. 3, 1, 4, 7, 6, 3, 9. Round off to the nearest 100. What's your answer? You can do this. Believe in yourself. You can do this.
Round off to the nearest 100.
Yes, 100. Yes. Naomi, are you okay, Naomi?
Then
Okay, what's your answer, miss?
31476004.
Okay, what about Naomi? Have you gotten it? Can see now. Naomi? Not yet. Amara, are you done? Amara?
Yes.
What's your answer?
314760.
What about Auni? Auni? Paging for Miss Auni. Have you gotten it?
Yeah.
What's your answer?
0000.
3140000.
Yep.
314 7000 like that. Or this one zero also.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. What about Nayumi? Nayumi, what's your answer? Have you gotten
3147700.
7700? There's another three. Okay, so there are three possible answers. One of them is correct. One says 31400. So do you know what's the mistake here, Auni? Auni, you made a mistake. You know how you make a mistake? Auni, you made a mistake of where the ones is. The ones is here. One stands 100. You count. One stands 100. You're going correct here. You must count from the right. Ones, tens, 100. We are looking at this. You are counting this now. Ones,
I
tens,
did
100.
count from the right, but there's too
did
many
count-
numbers. That's why it's confusing.
Got confused. Okay.
Yeah, confused.
So it's very easy actually. You see, ones. If you can't remember, you write this. 1, 10,
Then
100. You can see 100 here.
okay.
100 is here. So the next one, add another 0, 1,000, 10,000. Don't worry about the number of digits. Don't worry. So we are talking about this one here. So let us look at the digit just beside it. This digit here. Again, we write 1. You don't need to write this 0, 1, but just I'm writing it to show it to you. Okay. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must plus 1. If it's 1, 2, 3, 4, don't need. So now, Nayumi, is this 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Must you plus 1? Must no need, no need. So this one is correct. You don't plus 1. If you plus 1, that means it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you get it or not? Okay, eh? Okay, we try now. We try the next one. Hey, yeah, take what you want. Yeah. What is it? Adapter here. Okay, sorry, yeah.
My phone's lagging.
I'm lagging. My phone is lagging. Cannot be. Because I just changed the Wi-Fi. Am I lagging now?
No, you're not.
Earlier on, it was lagging. I already changed. So sorry about it. Okay, now what we're going to do is I want you to try now this one to the nearest 100. All of these numbers here. Okay, can you see all these 4 numbers? Can you round off to the nearest 100?
Okay.
All of them. You round off the nearest 100. Later we'll go through. Okay.
Okay.
You can do this, okay? You can do this. That's a delicious drink, Miss Amara. Cheers to you, yes. What are you drinking? Water or syrup?
Water.
Water, okay. That's a good idea. I should learn from you. I'm drinking coffee. Anyway. Okay, you do all of them, okay?
Okay.
The nearest 100. Then you will get the answer. Umaira, you got it, Ria, Umaira? Are you done? Not yet.
Okay, now I'm done. Okay, now I'm done.
Umaira, sorry, is any of your answer that you have done 55,000 down here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Which number is it? Number 3. Now you know how to do this question. Can you get, Amara? Can get, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this one you get, okay, we go one by one, okay? This bottom one, number 4, you get 55,000 and how much? 500. All right. See, 55,500. Number 3 is actually 55,000. Number 4, number 1 is 54,400. This one now is the unique one. That's why I want to show you on the board. This one is a little bit unique. Nearest 100, you underline 100, right? You
Yeah.
look at this digit. No,
Yeah.
this is this 54,900 still. Yeah, it's okay. So your answer is correct. This one is 54,400. This is 55,000. Okay. So I think you know how to do this now, right? Can see not how am I teaching? I'm teaching. I'm not going to tell you the answer. If last time you have tuition, the teacher just tell you the answer, you don't know what you're doing. Now I'm going to teach you something else. Then we come back to the same question. You can do it already. And how does it feel? It feels good, right? You feel better, right? That you can do the question actually. But do you know what will happen? If you don't practice, you will forget everything you learn. So you have to do practice papers on your own. You have to push yourself. If you don't push yourself, you're not going to be able to do very, very well. You got to push yourself. You know the caterpillar, to become a butterfly, you know it has to eat a lot of grass and all that. You know, every time it eats, it becomes full. Then the skin will tear, and that process is very painful. But if he wants to become a butterfly, he has to tear its skin many, many times. But how to tear? You eat until it becomes so gemuk, so fat, that the skin is not enough for it to contain. So then the skin cracks and a new skin comes out and it's painful. So if you want to learn to fly like a butterfly, you have to go through a little bit of that pain. What pain? Is to practice, not eat. If you eat, you become gemuk like me. Okay, but anyway, here we go. Now let us know using calculator. Can you please do long division? You know what's long division? If you do not know long division, I will show you on the board what long division is. You have to do it like that. 9.
Question 4, right?
Question 4 like this. Yes, this is question number 4. They want you to do like that. And to find what is the remainder. Please do this and find out what is the remainder. Remainder means at the end here you get a number. That's the remainder they're talking about. They want you to find what is the remainder. Okay. Hey, you must do your long division. Amara, you done, Amara? Not yet. So whether you know your timetable or not, your 6 timetable, that will decide how fast you are. If you are weak in your 6 timetable, so you'll be weak in this. Naomi, are you done, Naomi? What's your answer?
001, remainder 1.
Remainder 1. So your answer is 1, is it? Your answer is 1, Because your voice is like robotic. I can't hear.
Lagging.
Lagging. Anyone else? Umaira, are you done?
Almost.
Almost. Auni, are you done? Auni is frowning like that. It's okay. It's okay to frown. Huh? That's part of thinking. So we wait for the rest. Naomi, can you show me your working, Naomi? Just
I'm
put it.
done.
Okay, what's your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4?
3.
3. Okay, can I see? Okay, thank you. Wait. One by one. Huh? Okay, okay. All right. Thank you very much, both of you. Thanks.
Then
Okay, what's your answer?
3.
Amara? 3. What's your answer, Amara?
3.
3. Okay. So let us see. We do step by step. Okay. We do step by step. If you get it wrong, it's okay. First, you need to know 6 timetable. So I'm going to write down 6 timetable for you here, because some of you, I think you're still weak in your timetable. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. This is 1 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. Yeah, times 6 lah. 5 times 6, 6 times 6, 7 times 6, 8 times 6, 9 times 6, 10 times 6. So we go first one. Can you divide by 6? Yes, it can, right? So you get 1. You minus, you get 3. Bring down the 2, 32. So let's see. Which one is nearest? 30 is nearest. 30 is 5. So 30, put a 5 here. Minus, you get 2. Bring down the 3. All right, bring down the 3, 23. Which one? 24 is too big. 18. 18. What number is it? It's 3. So we put a 3 here. We minus, we get 5. Bring down the 7. So bring down the 7. Which one is it?
5.
54? 9. So 54 down here. So this is 9. Then you minus 7 minus 4 is 3. So this is now called the remainder. Okay, remainder is here. Now what do we call this number here? Anyone knows?
Quotient.
This one.
Quotient.
Quotient. Very good. Quotient. Huh? This one is called quotient. Quotient. Because sometimes the question asks you, what is the quotient? So the quotient is this. What's the remainder? Remainder. All right. This is the factor lah. All right. You divide by down here. So sorry.
What time is it now?
That means when the student asks what time it is, that means when is it going to end? It's going to end in 15 minutes time. Then you can say goodbye to me. Do you want to say goodbye to me? Oh, everyone's so happy, yeah. Allahu Akbar. Okay, but it's okay, because you are using your brain. Now, brain power, you might be a little bit tired. So down here, the remainder is 3. Okay? So let us move on to the next one. Next lesson, I'm going to use, I need you later, Naomi, to tell me what textbook you are using before I forget. Naomi, which textbook are you using? Are you using my pals are here? Shaping Maths? Or which one? Targeting Maths? Which one are you using? Do you know?
Math school textbook.
Not sure. Okay, later you must show me, okay? Because I need to know which book you are using. Okay, here we go. Now, this one we don't do. We do the next one. What is numerals? What is numeral?
What?
A
number.
Number, yes. Can you write it down in number? But where's the word? Yeah, okay. So they want you to write this down in number. Can you write it down, please? Okay, half a minute more. Okay, let's see whether you get it right. 12,058. 12,058. Well, let's write 58 first. How to write 58 is like that. Right? This is 58. So 1000 is like that.
Okay.
2000 is like that. You see, just add a 3 zeros. 3000, you just add 3 zeros, 3000. 9000, you add a 9, 3 zeros. 10,000, you add 10, 3 zeros. 12,000 is 12, 3 zeros. And then 58 is the last two, 58. So 12,058. Do you get it?
Yup.
Okay, yeah. If you get it, I'm going to test you on reading of numbers. Okay, here we go. Don't say the number is too big, huh? Don't say the number is too big, okay? We're going to ask you now. We're going to ask Amara first. Amara. Amara, what number is this? Don't tell, the rest don't tell. What number is this? No need to write, no need to write. Just look. You know what digit this is? What number is this? Let's say I give you like that. Do you know how to read this one? What is it?
179.
Good. Okay. Now remember, this now is in the 1, 0, 2, 0, 3 zeros. How many thousand?
4.
So all together, put it together.
4,179.
Good. Well done. Okay. Now we try the next one. The next girl. The next girl will be Miss Auni. Miss Auni, are you ready, Miss Auni? How come Miss Auni sangat? This smile sangat. You don't smile sangat lah. Okay, here we go now, Miss Auni. See, how come my number bigger than hers? Never mind. Try the last three. What number is this?
171. Well, 71.
71. So now this one will be?
What? All of them.
Just after this one. This one is 1,000.
Yeah.
How many thousand?
52,000.
And?
71.
Good. Okay, we're going to try the next one, okay? Next one, we try Miss Umaira. You're not sure? Read this one first. What number is this?
46.
No.
460.
460. This one now is like 0, 0, 0, 1,000. How many thousand is there here?
1,023.
No, again. What number is this?
123.
120,000 and?
And 460.
Good. Well done. Naomi, here we go. What number is this? Cannot hear you. Can? Naomi, I cannot hear you. Can?
It's glitchy.
780. Okay, good. And then, what's the whole number then? 780. Then, this is 1,000. How many thousand? 40,780.
780.
Okay. So, you all know how to do this, huh? I'm going to give you 4 numbers. You all read it. Later, I will ask you. You say whether it's right or wrong. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't need to write it down. Don't need to write. Don't need to write.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me keep you.
Okay. We all do number 1 first. Okay. But I'm going to ask one by one. You check whether she's correct or not. First person, Miss Auni. What number is this?
1,071.
1,071. What number is this?
1,100 and
No,
oh.
correct.
1,172.
Okay,
It
now.
look like a 1.
Okay, now we look at the last three first. Last three. Okay, this one, not one. The last three, what number is this?
72.
Okay, how many thousand?
1,000.
So what, put it together.
1,172.
No, there's no 100. 1,072.
1,072.
Well done. All right, now we're going to try now. Next one, Miss Umaira.
75.
No, all together.
Oh. 800.
Okay, so if you get stuck, then I ask you to read the last one. What
75.
number? How many thousand?
800.
No, 81,000 together.
81,075.
Good. You know how to do it, huh? We ask now the next one. We ask Miss Amara. What about this? Can you read straight? If you can't, do the last three first. What's the last three?
670.
So how many thousand is this?
12,670.
Good, well done. Okay, Naomi, last. Okay, you tell me the whole number if you can. Glitching, huh?
100.
Again, how many? What's the number? Glitching. Your Wi-Fi, cannot hear. The voice.
125.
625. Good. So how many thousand? How many thousand?
412.
So put it together.
412.
1,000.
412,000 and
625.
625.
How you all get it or not? You sure? Okay, we'll test you one by one now. Now we try Auni again. We start with Auni again. Auni, what number is this? First one. You can do it.
80,000.
80,000. Look, read the whole thing now. How many thousand?
81.
1,000.
81,702.
Well done. Okay, now we try the next one now. The next one we'll ask Miss Umaira. Umaira? Last three first.
604.
This one is 1,000. How many thousand are there?
8,014.
No, what number is this? What number is this?
Eh,
What number?
814.
814 is what?
8,014.
No, not 8,014. 814. Right, this is 800. Okay, so read it together.
814.
1,000.
804. 604.
Yes. You tired already lah, Umaira. She's searching for pimple on her cheek. Don't be like that lah. Okay, we try the next one now. We'll ask now Amara. Can you read it?
1,200.
What number is this?
12,000.
No, what number is this? What number is this?
1,000.
Okay.
And
What number is this? No,
20.
120. 120. 100 is like that, right? Now I put like that, become 120. So 120,000 and
142.
yes. Okay. And we ask Naomi. Naomi?
$110,000.
Good.
704.
704. 810,704. So how to read? Okay, don't worry. Every three you can break it up. Every three you can break it up. Down here is in the thousands. Down here you must know lah. This is 704. This one is 810,000. Umaira, what are you doing? Look here, Umaira. Stop picking your nose and tasting it. Now look up here.
Oh, biting
800
my nails.
Oh, biting on here. So sorry. I saw you doing like that. I thought you did like that. But anyway, 810,704. So let us try. Yeah, we're gonna ask Umaira now. Okay. Umaira, what number is this?
600. 300. Wait.
620.
620,000. 152.
Yes. No, no 100. This last one, there's no 100, nothing. 620,142. This last one, you read it as it is, 142. 620,142. Now let us try Auni. Are you ready, Miss Auni? Let's go. Auni.
807,140.
Well done. Huh? So she says 807,000. See, she reads 807,140. Naomi. Who have an Naomi? There's Amara or Amara, is it? Or Naomi? Hold on. I can't remember who. Okay, we try Amara first. Lah. Amara. The first three, you count from the tree down here. 1, 2, 3. Cut it off.
764.
Good. This one.
Eight thousand and
No. What number is this?
81.
81.
1,000 and 664.
764. 81,764. Let's try now. Naomi. Here we go. Naomi. What's the number?
210,111.
Good. Well done. 210,111. So we divide, take the last one first. Let us go back to Auni.
7,180.
Wow. Let's try now, Miss Umaira.
1,071.80.
Look at the last one first. The last three first. What number is this?
17,800.
No. 17,000, correct. What number is this?
And 180.
Yes, and 180. Now you must practice on numbers. If you don't practice, you'll forget. Today you learn quite a number of stuff, right? Some of the stuff you didn't understand before, you are starting to learn. But this is just the beginning. Is it tough? Is the lesson okay for you all? Tired already? Tired? Okay, so we'll see you again next lesson is next week. I will send your parents the video and maybe the first 2 pages that we have done. Okay, Naomi, tell your mother to tell me what's your textbook. Is it my pals are here? Okay, maybe I show you what some of the students showed me. Hold on. Just hold on. This is for, okay. So Naomi, is your textbook something like this? Is it this one? Is it Like that. Which one? Or none of the above? Is it like this? Or like this? Or
The
not?
bells are here.
Sorry? Your pals are
My
my
pals
pals
are
are okay. Your pals are here. Okay, your pals are there. Okay. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum. You see you
Yeah.
again next lesson. Bye bye.
Bye.